everybody, in honor of I hit 100 subscribers. I know, this is crazy. Like 100 subscribers? That's 100 subscribers. Well, thank you so much for the 100 people that subscribe to my channel. In honor of hitting 100 subscribers, I'm gonna build something for you. No, silly, not a house. Is that a spider? January 21st, and we're gonna be building a gingerbread house in honor of hitting 100 subscribers. 100,000 subscribers. I'm kidding. 100 subscribers. But I still love. Okay, can I get another one? Stop it. I mean, I would just love to thank my supporters. Like, I don't even know how I got here, you know? Are you still here? Ooh! I see you standing there. Wait, how do you open this? Okay, we're gonna have to open this. This is crazy. I have 2 cameras set up right now. There and there. I'm giving you the POV. Wait, what do I know? What I have a thing where I don't want to open things. Okay. I'm gonna have to open this. La 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 la. Come closer. Sorry. Sorry, not sorry. We should play some music. We should play some tunes. This is gonna be so fun. I kind of wish I had some champagne. Oh, we opened it, guys. Do you see that? There's a whole lot of stuff in there. Oh. What else is in here? Oh my gosh! Okay, we got the frosting, got the candies, we got the little house. Oh, this is gonna be epic! And we got this. Oh, that smells so good. Open up. Wait, does it not come with directions? Come on. Let's put a stopwatch. Can we put like a stopwatch or a timer somewhere here? We have one house. What is this, the roof? Roof! There it is. Woo, woo. There it is. Woo, there it is. What is this? What if I just ate it? Honestly, Actividades. What am I doing? Why am I taking everything out of the box? I don't know. I don't know. Stop asking me all these questions. Why are you asking me all these questions? I don't know. I don't know. Oh, need massage white icing pouch for 2 minutes to make icing more fluid and adhesive. When ready to assemble, remove cap from icing pouch and snip the tip 1/4 inch from head. Okay, 2 minutes. Timer. Let's go. What's next? Pipe a zigzag line of icing on the bottom along the side edges of each front and back panel. Pipe a zigzag line of icing on the bottom of each side wall. Cardboard base may be used as surface for building house. Okay! Handy manny. These go. Are these the walls? What is this? I don't know what this is. Smells so good. Oh, okay, these are the base pieces. If this broke, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Actually, I do know what I'm gonna do. I'm Bob the Builder. These are the windows. And this is the, oh my gosh! Wait, how long? I feel like I haven't even started and it's already been like 30 minutes. These go like this. And then I'm assuming this is the side. Oh no, this is the roof. What the heck? Then where does this big piece go? Are these the sides of the house? Oh, this is the roof? Is this the roof? I can't tell which one's which. Is this the roof? So would this go like this? No way, this is too big to be the roof. Who needs a roof this big? It is the roof! And 1/4 is 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm assuming that's a 4th. Oh, that smells good. It said zigzag. Zigzag, zigzag, zigzag. Zigzag. Another zigzag, 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 zig. Okay, more? Zigzag, zigzag, zig. I will say you gotta have some type of strength to be doing this. Zigzag, 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 zig. Okay. Now what is next? Can you see what is going on here or no? Okay. It's getting there. No, it's not. Please don't hate me. And then this goes like this. Okay, so how do we do this? Man, why is this? Why you gotta make everything so complicated? Like that. Okay, so. And then like this. I only got 2 hands. What do you want from me? 2 long hands. Hey. Oh, don't give up. I believe in you. I'm getting angry. I'm getting angry. I'm getting angry. No, I got this. I got this. Ooh. Okay. 1. They're upside down. Oh my God. Wait, are the windows upside down? Or are they right side up? Okay, they're right side up. Okay, stay. How am I supposed to do this? Okay, we have to be innovative, be creative, let's be resourceful, let's find a solution. Okay. Do I need a blow dryer? I saw it in a movie once. Do they blow dry this? Like, I'll just fix you up real quickly because we gotta make sure the foundation's right. That's what I learned from Bob the Builder. Like, you gotta make sure the foundation is right. You know? And if it's not right, it's not gonna work. And we don't want the house to collapse. Guys, the cement is hardening. Okay. And let it dry, let it dry, let it dry. I think we're getting somewhere. I think it's dry now. 15 minutes to dry. Are you crazy? It's not even connected. What the heck, man? Yo, this is some cheap glue. Why isn't it sticking? Stick, motherfucker. Sorry. When I was very little, okay, when I was younger, I made a gingerbread house. This is like probably 1st grade. And I'll never forget being so excited. I worked all day at school for that, okay? I slaved away and made that gingerbread house. It was beautiful. It was the most amazing thing you've ever seen in your life. You were like, oh my God, there's no way a 1st grader built that. It was so good. You're like, oh my God, that looks like a house. Like, I want this 1st grader to build my house because it was so good. Next thing you know, I remember my dad came to pick me up, okay? As one does from school. Oh my God, a blue jay. That was just a blue jay. Anyways, my dad came to pick me up and I was so excited to show him, right? So I literally was like, and he was like running to go to the car. Oh, I don't want to tell the story anymore. I'm so over it. No, I want to continue. Okay. And he was like speed walking. He was going, I'm assuming he was late for something or we had to go. I don't know. But he was speed walking ahead of me. And my little legs were trying to catch up to him. And I was running with my gingerbread. I was like, look what I made. Because it was the most, I was just so excited. And then like, I was trying to run to catch up to him, to show him. But he just kept running in front of me. Like, you know, going, talking about, yeah, show me later. Like, come on. And I was like, no, but I want to show you now. But then it fell. It fell and I was so sad. He's like, oh no. And he helped me pick it up, put it in a pile, and then we left. So he never got to see my creation. And I was so excited to see the creation. So if you're a dad and your child is like, oh my God, look, and it sounds annoying at the time and you're busy, you're gonna go somewhere, just turn around and look. All they want is for you to look, okay? They just want you to look. And I'm glad because now that I let that out of my chest, that's been bothering me for like 18 years. I'm so glad you let me vent about that and tell you about that. Wow, I feel so much lighter. 5 minutes left? Yeah, babe, we're not waiting. We're not waiting 9 minutes. We're not waiting 9 minutes. So speed it up. We're gonna put it on here. So let's put the icing on here. Okay. Okay. This time we're gonna be, oh no. That looks so ugly. Okay. Boom, 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 boom. And this is it. This is the roof. Roof, 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 roof. How do I wanna like eat this? So is there a top? Doesn't matter which way you go, no, right? If this falls on me, like, this has to be the roof. What is this? What? Okay, so we have to do what? Why does it look so big? Oh no, maybe it's supposed to be like that. Oh my god, we have to hold this for 2 minutes? Oh my god! I'm not gonna lie, doing this requires patience. Oh no, it's falling apart. Ooh, I fall apart. Oh my god, no, it's falling apart. Oh no. Yo, it's falling apart! Oh my god. It broke. It broke. It's not meant to be. It broke. It literally broke. I knew this was not meant to be. This is not meant to be, and it is okay. Okay, can we fix this? Let's try to fix this. I believe in myself. Okay. It's still, we can still salvage. We can still salvage this, right? This is so sad. There we go. This is still salvageable, right? And the roof broke? Oh! It ripped? What the hell? What the hell? What the hell? You obviously don't want me to succeed. I see how it is. Come on, buddy. Like, now this is what the house is looking like. Okay? It broke and I had to put it back to pieces. I'm falling to pieces. And the icing's ripped. I don't even understand how the icing ripped. Am I that strong? So now every time I try to squeeze it out the tube, it comes out another end. You don't want me to make it cute. Now we gotta make it all messy. I want to make it cute. We're gonna try again. We're gonna try one more time because you know what? I believe in myself. Why I gotta break you in half, motherfucker. You don't fucking work. This way you don't deserve a house, Mr. Gingerbread Man. You don't fucking want your house is fucking whack, buddy. The hell? A mess! But I believe in myself. I believe in myself. That's all that matters. All that matters is that I believe. I believe that we will win. I believe that we will win. I believe that we will win. It's coming out of 2 holes. Do you see this? And I don't even know how that punctured. Okay, I believe that we will win. I believe that we will win. I believe that we will win. Getting somewhere. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Motherfucker. Yeah. I'll take a picture for you actually. This might actually work out for me. I have to wait. Shit. Shit. It's falling. It's falling. We can multitask. What is this? What the heck? I don't know where these 2 pieces go. Was I supposed to cut something? What the hell is this? Oh, this way? I don't know, man. It's sticky. This is so beautiful. Wow. Only I can make something this great. And only I could improvise this greatly. And only I can do something this epic. La 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 la. So this window right here is slightly broken, but it's okay because we're gonna decorate it and no one's gonna tell that I put together. No one's gonna be able to tell that I put these pieces together. It's just a slight crack. Nothing that you should be too scared of. It is beautiful. This, honestly, this might be even better than the one I made when I was in 3rd grade. I'm not gonna lie. If you fall, bitch, I'm gonna kill you. You don't deserve to be on, you do not deserve to be on there. This camera, you're gonna die soon, but it's okay because we're pretty much done. I'm actually so over this. I've decided that I wanna go get ice cream instead. Just to make up for the fact that, but thank you so much for the 100 subscribers, everybody. I don't even know how I even got here. This is absolutely so crazy. I hope you enjoyed me making a gingerbread house late January. I hope everyone's, what's it called? New Year's resolutions. New Year's is going good. We're done. We're done. This is as good as it's gonna get. Like, what the heck? Ever say I can't build a house. Okay, call me Bob the Builder. I am Bob the Builder.